I am Tushar Patel. We are Baroda-based company. Our company name is Kalpvrux Converting Products Private Limited. We are manufacturing sliter rewinder, inspection rewinder, and coil rewinders. We are catering to the flexible printing and packaging industries. We are having specialty and substitutes. We are providing substitutes to Indian company under Make in India program. Earlier, this industry was dominated by imported machines. Now, all machines are developed and continuously developing stage in India. Participating in HIPLEX, particularly in Hyderabad, it's a great feeling. We have here wide base of customers, and under one roof we can meet everyone and we can demonstrate latest developments. Thank you.